Oh, the kids ought to like this one. Going to get a Honda Fourtrax 300 four-wheel drive. I know the guy that's selling it to me, and it's a pretty nice quad. We've never done one on the channel, and I'm gonna let the kids ride it through the damn pond, I guess. So Reagan and Parker and Taylor if she wants to, but we're gonna go get it picked up in Dallas, get back over here. It's a nice one. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. Give us a follow on Time Machine ATV's Instagram. This one's going up for sale, dudes. There she is, 1999 Honda Fourtrax 300 four-wheel drive. Oh, let's get this thing unloaded, and then we'll see what we're dealing with here. I'm being lazy right now, guys, which could cost me dearly. Let's hope not. Anytime you load these up, these are all-time four-wheel drive. So you don't want to be halfway up your ramp and have to goose it, and these stupid front tires yank it out, or the back tires for that matter. So just keep that in mind. Nice and smooth, no brake. Just let her go, see how it geared it down? Look at what it did. Because the front tires grabbed. We got lucky. This is what's cool. Ron wouldn't have done that. Dude, I gotta look at it and tear her truck up. Well, that'd have been my ass. Let's go clean this thing up. I mean, she's a little dirty. Let's go power wash her. Get this motor the color it's supposed to be, back silver. Let's go see what we can do, boys. Ooh, have a look. All-time four-wheel drive, semi-automatic. I don't know if you'd say it's air-cooled or oil-cooled. I'd say it's air-cooled. Some people may say oil-cooled. I don't know. Is it got an oil cooler? No, this is air-cooled. There you go. Runs good. It's got the trunk in the back, big red style. Keep this. Let's see. Oh man, toolkit, curse. Working tail light. You put your beer in there. It's got a kicker under there. Ooh, just got these mothers dropped off. TTR 250, CR 125. We'll get up in them here in a little while. But for now, let's go text her. Let's get the GoPro on. Let's go ride this thing. See what's what. Y'all want to go ride it or what? This is a little different mount. It's got a choke here if you need it, but she's all tuned up, boys. Look at this metal tank, guys. That is unbelievably in beautiful shape. You just push this old button down with the finger. Downshifter one down there, and you got her in. Revolutionary. It stands for revolution. Now, these ain't the fastest old quads. I ain't gonna say that. I'm in third gear going about 5 miles an hour, boy. I'm digging all this out with the tractor. Trying to get to all this clay right here. Like that, and like this stuff, get these trees out, get to that clay right there before this pond fills up, then it won't leak as much, hopefully. And I'm putting it all over here so my grass will grow back, and we'll make this a drag strip back here and use some of this stuff we haven't been using. Ooh, I don't know, we're going off-road, boys. She's birdie, but she can bushwhack a little bit, I think. Look at that. That's deep enough for you? Huh? I need to get a tractor out here, clean all this up, get my neighbor's trash all fucking picked up. Oh, there's branches over there. We ain't going that way, old boy. Another down tree. Look at this shithole, dude. This is what I gotta live next to. It just piles over onto my fucking fence. Straight straight trash, yo. Oh boy, not you too. Ran into my neighbor, boys. Now that is strange. What is this shit? Oh, we got jars here with letters on them. Interesting. Interesting. Pretty rough stuff right here. It's a big hump and a drop off. Probably bottom out on it. Nope, right over it, old boy. Phew. Get you some of that, dudes. Honda Fourtrax 300. Good machines for sure, and they last pretty much forever. This one clearly hasn't been sunk in mud. It doesn't have a snorkel. The airbox wasn't full of crap. It had a new air filter in it. She's actually clean. So, get up in there, boys. Give me a like and subscribe. Give us a follow on Time Machine ATV's Instagram. This thing's going on there for sale. Appreciate you, boys.